Willkommen bei Exam Heist, Ihr Partner für Zertifizierungserfolg. Wir bieten umfassende Lernmaterialien, online und offline, und begleiten Sie Schritt für Schritt. Von PDF-Leitfäden bis zu praxisnahen Übungssätzen. Alle wichtigen Fragen für Ihre Zertifizierung sind abgedeckt. Sie haben jederzeit die richtigen Ressourcen griffbereit. Laden Sie PDFs herunter. Machen Sie Tests und nutzen Sie unser Expertenteam. Mit interaktiver Online-Praxis können Sie sich überall und jederzeit prüfen. Unsere PDFs sind prüfungsbereit, sorgfältig zusammengestellt und bleiben stets aktuell. Tausende Lernende haben sich bereits erfolgreich zertifizieren lassen und vertrauen auf unsere Qualität. Zertifizierte Fachkräfte stehen bereit, um Ihre Fragen zu beantworten. Starten Sie heute und geben Sie Ihrer Vorbereitung den entscheidenden Vorteil mit Exam Heist. Besuchen Sie examheist.com. Exam Heist. Ihr Weg zum Erfolg beginnt hier.
Question 1. What are two methods for renaming a field in a visualization? Choose two. Option A. From the data pane, use the Fields drop-down menu and select Rename. Option B. From the data pane, right-click the field and select Replace References. Option C. From the data pane, click and hold on the field until the name is editable. Option D. From the Format menu, select Field Labels. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. From the data pane, use the Fields drop-down menu and select Rename. Option C. From the data pane, click and hold on the field until the name is editable. Question 2. Which statement accurately describes aliases? Option A. You can assign an alias to a field member before creating a visualization. Option B. When you assign an alias, the name changes in the database. Option C. You can create an alias for a discrete measure. Option D. You can create an alias for a continuous dimension. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. You can assign an alias to a field member before creating a visualization. Question 3. You need to invert the color intensity of a quantitative range. Which option should you use? Option A. Border. Option B. Reversed. Option C. Opacity. Option D. Stepped color. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option B. Reversed. Question 4. You need to display the complete list of potential data connections when you connect to a server. What action should you perform? Option A. Select Connecting to Data. Option B. Select More under to a file. Option C. Select More under to a server. Option D. Select File on the menu. And then select New. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option C. Select More under to a server. Question 5. When creating a data source, how can you add additional connections to different databases? Option A. From the drop-down menu of the current connection, select Edit Connection. Option B. From the Connections pane, select Add. Option C. From the Data menu, select New Data Source. Option D. From the File menu, select New. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option B. From the Connections pane, select Add. Question 6. What are two characteristics of relationships? Choose two. Option A. Relationships will query every table in a data model regardless of whether the fields are in a visualization. Option B. Relationships will query only the tables and fields needed to create a visualization. Option C. Relationships are only supported when using extracts. Option D. Relationships are aware automatically of the native level of detail of logical tables. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B. Relationships will query only the tables and fields needed to create a visualization. Option D. Relationships are aware automatically of the native level of detail of logical tables. Question 7. What are two examples of a date value? Choose 2. Option A. January 1st, 1995. Option B. December. Option C. Wednesday. Option D. The 1st of May 2020. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A. January 1st, 1995. Option D. The 1st of May 2020. Question 8. What are 3 reasons to use joins instead of relationships? Choose 3. Option A. You need to use a specific join type. Option B. You need to create an extract that will have multiple tables. Option C. You need to use row-level security. Option D. You need to use a data model that supports shared dimensions. Option E. You need to connect to multiple databases. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A. You need to use a specific join type. Option C. You need to use row-level security. Option D. You need to use a data model that supports shared dimensions. Question 9. What are 3 benefits of using an extract as compared to a live connection to a data source? Choose 3. Option A. A live connection to a data source provides the best performance for data connections. Option B. Calculated fields perform better in workbooks connected to extracts than in workbooks with live connections to a data source. Option C. Extracts are stored in memory, RAM, resulting in faster query performance as compared with live data connections. Option D. An extract reduces the amount of data stored on a client computer as compared to a live data connection. Option E. A live connection to a data source can be slow due to network and user traffic, whereas a connection to an extract improves performance. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B. Calculated fields perform better in workbooks connected to extracts than in workbooks with live connections to a data source. Option C. Extracts are stored in memory, RAM, resulting in faster query performance as compared with live data connections. Option E. A live connection to a data source can be slow due to network and user traffic, whereas a connection to an extract improves performance. Question 10. Which string function should you use to find a substring within a column and return a Boolean value? Option A. RTRIM. Option B. Split. Option C. Contains. Option D. ENDSWITH. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C. Contains. Question 11. You want to assign the latitude geographic role to a field. What should be the data type and the data role of the field? Choose 2. Option A. String. Option B. Dimension. Option C. Measure. Option D. Number. Decimal. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C. Measure. Option D. Number. Decimal. Question 12. How can you access options to apply bold formatting to an axis in the view? Option A. Select text on the marks card. Option B. Select field labels on the format menu. Option C. Right-click on the field and select format. Option D. Right-click on the axis. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option D. Right-click on the axis. Question 13. With the marks card drop-down menu set to automatic, a line chart will be created whenever you place it on the rows shelf and the columns shelf. Option A. Measures on one shelf, and a date dimension on the other. Option B. 0 or more dimensions on one shelf, and 2 or more measures on the other. Option C. 0 or more measures on one shelf, and 2 or more dimensions on the other. Option D. A date dimension followed by a continuous measure on one shelf. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. Measures on one shelf, and a date dimension on the other. Question 14. When should you use a relationship instead of a join for two data sets? Option A. To use both data sets across multiple sheets in a visualization. Option B. The data sets are in two separate tables within a single spreadsheet. Option C. The data sets include similar data aggregated at different levels of detail. Option D. The data sets include similar data aggregated up to the highest level. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option C. The data sets include similar data aggregated at different levels of detail. Question 15. What is created by a calculated field that has a formula of sum? Sales. Sum. Profit. Option A. A measure. Option B. A dimension. Option C. A set. Option D. A parameter. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. A measure. Question 16. Which two types of fields appear blue? Choose two. Option A. Continuous measures. Option B. Discrete dimensions. Option C. Discrete measures. Option D. Continuous dimensions. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option B. Discrete dimensions. Option C. Discrete measures. Question 17. Which two filter modes can you use with dimension filters? Choose two. Option A. Range of values. Option B. At most. Option C. Wildcard match. Option D. Multiple values. Drop down. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option C. Wildcard match. Option D. Multiple values. Drop down. Question 18. When viewing quick table calculations, such as percent difference from, that use a value in the previous column, what will be the first data value in the visualization? Option A. 0. O. Option B. Null. Option C. Duplicated from the nearest column. Option D. The current value. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option B. Null. Question 19. Which two types of aggregations can be applied to string fields? Choose two. Option A. Minimum. Option B. Sum. Option C. Average. Option D. Count distinct. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. Minimum. Option D. Count distinct. Question 20. You create a crosstab that shows a list of 100 hotel chains alongside their average nightly cost. You also create two groups showing, respectively, the top 10 and bottom 10 hotel chains by cost, with subtotals. What should you do to improve the crosstab and compare the two groups to all the remaining hotel chains? Option A. Create a new view. Option B. Color encode the hotel chain names. Option C. Include an other group. Option D. Include the summary card. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option C. Include an other group. Question 21. You have the following string value. Sales data. Which calculated field produces an output of sales? Option A. Left. Sales data. Option B. Left. Sales data. 5. Option C. LTRIM. Sales data. Option D. RTRIM. Sales data. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B. Left. Sales data. 5. Question 22. You create a dual-axis chart that shows sales and profit over time. What should you do to distinguish sales from profit? Choose 2. Option A. Adjust the time frame displayed. Option B. Change the mark types of sales and profit. Option C. Adjust the aggregations for sales and profit to be different. Option D. Change the color of sales and profit. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B. Change the mark types of sales and profit. Option D. Change the color of sales and profit. Question 23. What are two use cases for creating hierarchies from the data pane? Choose 2. Option A. To organize related fields together. Option B. To add drill-down functionality for fields. Option C. To create faster performing queries. Option D. To concatenate all fields into a single field. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A. To organize related fields together. Option B. To add drill-down functionality for fields. Question 24. From which three locations can you sort a visualization? Choose 3. Option A. The analysis menu. Option B. Tooltip on the marks card. Option C. An axis. Option D. The worksheet menu. Option E. A field label. Option F. A header. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C. An axis. Option E. A field label. Option F. A header. Question 25. Which statement accurately describes creating a group by selecting headers in a view? Option A. The grouped dimension is added to color. Option B. A newly created group only exists in the current view. Option C. A new group updates the aliases from the selected headers. Option D. The grouped dimension replaces the original dimension field on rows or columns. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D. The grouped dimension replaces the original dimension field on rows or columns. Question 26. You want to provide additional information when hovering over a field in the data pane as shown in the following exhibit. What should you configure for the field? Option A. An alias. Option B. A header label. Option C. A default comment. Option D. A hierarchy. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C. A default comment. Question 27. You are creating a combined axis chart. Where should you drag the second measure after dragging the first measure to the rows shelf? Option A. The marks card. Option B. The filter card. Option C. The horizontal axis in the view. Option D. The vertical axis in the view. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D. The vertical axis in the view. Question 28. To best improve the display of a scatter plot that has overlapping shapes, you should adjust the marks. Option A. Mark size. Option B. Mark borders. Option C. Color opacity. Option D. Color palette. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C, color opacity. Question 29. The option to create bins is available for which type of field? Option A, Boolean. Option B, numeric. Option C, date. Option D, string. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B, numeric. Question 30. Which mark type is used in a highlight table? Option A, area. Option B, square. Option C, polygon. Option D, text. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B, square. Question 31. You have the following visualization. You need to show how internet usage values change from year to year as a percentage. Which quick table calculation should you apply to the internet usage field? Option A, percentile. Option B, difference. Option C, compound growth rate. Option D, percent difference. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D, percent difference. Question 32. You have a bar chart that has a dimension on the columns shelf and a measure on the rows shelf. How can you make a stacked bar chart? Option A, drag another measure to color on the marks card. Option B, drag another measure to the left of the measure on the rows shelf. Option C, drag another dimension to size on the marks card. Option D, drag another dimension to color on the marks card. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D, drag another dimension to color on the marks card. Question 33. Which three elements are included in a packaged workbook? TWBX. Choose 3. Option A, background images. Option B, a PDF copy of the workbook. Option C, custom shapes. Option D, Tableau data source customization. TDC. Files. Option E, extract files. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A, background images. Option C, custom shapes. Option E, extract files. Question 34. In which situation should you save a workbook as a PDF document? Option A, your users have Tableau desktop but not Tableau reader. Option B, you want document users to be able to filter and sort the views. Option C, your analysis does not require a live connection to a data source. Option D, you need paper copies of the workbook. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D, you need paper copies of the workbook. Question 35. What are 3 ways to access bolding options for the text in a tooltip? Choose 3. Option A, hover over a mark and press Ctrl+B. Option B, hover over a mark and press Alt+F. Option C, right-click on the field and select Format. Option D, select Worksheet on the menu. And then select Tooltip. Option E, select Tooltip on the marks card. Option F, select Format on the menu. And then select Font. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D, select Worksheet on the menu. And then select Tooltip. Option E, select Tooltip on the marks card. Option F, select Format on the menu. And then select Font. Question 36. What is a Tableau story point? Option A, a collection of sheets arranged in a sequence. Option B, a collection of talking points to drive the story. Option C, the pane where you set the size of the story. Option D, an individual sheet or dashboard in the story. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option D, an individual sheet or dashboard in the story. Question 37. The shape option is available for which two views? Choose two. Option A, scatter plots. Option B, side-by-side circles. Option C, heat maps. Option D, packed bubbles. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A, scatter plots. Option B, side-by-side circles. Question 38. Which statement accurately describes adding a dashboard layout for a mobile device? Option A. Dashboards designed in portrait mode are optimal for viewing on a phone. Option B. Dashboard device layout changes will be saved between workbooks. Option C. Only workbooks published to Tableau online support mobile layouts. Option D. Dashboard changes made for one device layout apply to other device layouts. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. Dashboards designed in portrait mode are optimal for viewing on a phone. Question 39. What are two use cases for a story? Choose two. Option A. Present a data narrative to lead your audience to your conclusions. Option B. Provide additional editing and interactive capabilities to your audience. Option C. To allow for easier exporting to PowerPoint. Option D. Assemble a sequenced analysis to share with collaborators. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. Present a data narrative to lead your audience to your conclusions. Option D. Assemble a sequenced analysis to share with collaborators. Question 40. What two methods can you use to change the font of a worksheet title? Choose two. Option A. Select Format on the menu. And then select Title and Caption. Option B. Select Format on the menu. And then select Font. Option C. Double-click the title in a particular view and use the dialog box. Option D. Right-click the title in a view. And then select Format Title. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option B. Select Format on the menu. And then select Font. Option C. Double-click the title in a particular view and use the dialog box.